We're back, 1110 West Leland, Unit 1A, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. You said you wanted to see the amenities, so we wanted to show you. So guys, check out this one of 2 roof decks. This is the panoramic roof deck, and in a second, we're going to show you the common area grill deck. So check out these views. You've got the Aragon Ballroom over there to the left. You've got the lake straight east of us. And then our view south of the city, it's a little cloudy. Normally it's a full skyline view, but it's a little overcast. You can see the skyline a little bit over there. And here, I want to show you this, guys. This is the new $201 million Wilson L renovation. Amazing. There's so many developments proposed, both residential and commercial, already approved around that L station. This area is only going to get even more cool. I go get sushi at Agami right there. I go to karaoke at Uptown Lounge. And I go for Ethiopian food at Demira right on the corner. This is such a great location. Once again, our open house is this Saturday, April 7th, noon to 3 p.m. It's gonna be catered, so if you're hungry, come on by. We'll have food as well as drinks. So once again, Dominic IRPINO with IRPINO Real Estate, yet another new listing we have to introduce to you. We've got more coming, so keep an eye out and don't honk your horn like that. And by the way, our last one's already sold, so keep an eye out for IRPINO Real Estate at Facebook and all social media, and we'll be back soon, guys. Thanks for joining us.